Scene script. Have you ever wondered why humanoid robots or certain animations make us feel uneasy? Welcome to the fascinating world of the Uncanny Valley, a concept that delves deep into human psychology and our interactions with things that appear almost human. It's an eerie phenomenon that's as intriguing as it is unsettling. Imagine a graph. On one axis, you have the degree of human likeness, and on the other, our affinity or emotional response. As the human likeness of an object or a robot increases, our affinity for it goes up, steadily climbing until we reach around 70% human likeness. This is where it gets interesting. Beyond this point, instead of our affinity continuing to rise, it takes a sharp nosedive, forming a metaphorical valley. This valley is what we call the Uncanny Valley. It's an area filled with objects and beings that are almost human, but not quite. They're close enough to trigger our recognition of human traits, yet far enough to fall short of authenticity. And this is where discomfort sets in. Think of humanoid robots like Sophia, or uncannily realistic animations. They teeter on the edge of this valley, their subtle imperfections making them appear almost human, but not quite genuine. The discomfort we feel in their presence is a testament to our innate capacity to recognize and decipher human traits and our instinctive wariness of the unknown. It's a clash between expectation and reality. The Uncanny Valley blurs the boundaries between the familiar and the unfamiliar, between what we recognize as human and what we perceive as other. The Uncanny Valley phenomenon is a fascinating study of human psychology and our interactions with humanoid figures. It's a journey into the depths of our minds, exploring the uncanny, the almost human, and the intricate ways in which we respond to them. Now let's delve into the world of Sophia, the humanoid robot. Sophia is the brainchild of Hanson Robotics, a marvel of modern science, engineering, and artistry. She's not just a machine, she's a humanoid, a robot designed to mimic human appearance and behavior. Sophia is a testament to how far we've come in the field of artificial intelligence and robotics, and she represents a glimpse into what the future might hold. Sophia is not an ordinary robot. She holds a unique distinction. She's the world's first robot citizen. Yes, you heard it right. Sophia was granted Saudi Arabian citizenship in October 2017, making her the first robot in the world to receive such an honor. But that's not all. Sophia is also an innovation ambassador for the United Nations Development Programme, demonstrating the potential of AI and robotics for solving global challenges. Sophia's capabilities are impressive. She's able to recognize faces, interpret human emotions, and respond to gestures. These abilities are the result of the integration of various AI technologies, which allow her to interact with people in a remarkably human-like way. Sophia's AI is a mix of autonomous responses and human-generated input, creating a dynamic interaction that blurs the line between humans and machines. Sophia also plays a critical role in the Loving AI project. This initiative explores how robots like Sophia can provide emotional support and companionship, a testament to her design's sophistication and complexity. But what truly makes Sophia stand out is her ability to interact. Her responses are a mix of autonomous and scripted, allowing for a unique collaboration between humans and machines. This interaction isn't just about commands and responses, it's a conversation, a dialogue that deepens our understanding of AI and its potential to transform our world. Sophia is not just a robot, she's a symbol of the future of AI and robotics. So how does the Uncanny Valley phenomenon relate to Sophia, the humanoid robot? Sophia, the brainchild of Hanson Robotics, represents a remarkable feat in science, engineering, and artistry. She's a humanoid robot that's been designed to mimic human traits and characteristics as closely as possible. But in doing so, she straddles the precipice of the Uncanny Valley. Sophia's human-like qualities are undeniably impressive. She can recognize faces, emotions, and gestures. Her interactions are a mixture of autonomous and scripted responses, enabling a degree of collaboration between humans and machines that's quite unprecedented. Yet it's these very human-like attributes that potentially place Sophia squarely within the Uncanny Valley. The subtle imperfections in Sophia's design and interactions might trigger an unsettling feeling in human observers. She appears almost human, but there's always that reminder that she's not quite genuine. It's this almost but not quite authenticity that can make interactions with Sophia somewhat disconcerting. These feelings of unease, however, don't necessarily detract from Sophia's value as a technological marvel. In fact, they offer opportunities for further research and development in the field of human-robot interactions. Sophia's advanced capabilities and interactions could, in time, help us better understand and navigate the uncanny valley. Yet it's also possible that these advanced capabilities could contribute to the uncanny valley effect. As Sophia's AI becomes more sophisticated and her interactions more nuanced, the line between human and machine becomes increasingly blurred. This could potentially heighten the feelings of discomfort and unease associated with the uncanny valley. The relationship between Sophia and the uncanny valley is complex and thought-provoking. It's a relationship that challenges us to confront our perceptions of what it means to be human and to question how far we're willing to push the boundaries of technology. To wrap things up, we've delved into the intriguing world of the uncanny valley phenomenon, a concept that lays bare our instinctive responses to humanoid figures. This eerie phenomenon is a testament to the intricacy of the human psyche, shedding light on how we navigate the thin line between the familiar and the unfamiliar, the genuine and the almost genuine. In this journey, we've also met Sophia, the humanoid robot from Hanson Robotics, who stands as an embodiment of the future of AI and robotics. Sophia, with her ability to recognize faces, emotions and gestures, serves as a testament to the advancements in the realm of artificial intelligence. She is a blend of science, engineering and artistry, pushing the boundaries of human-robot interactions. The intersection between Sophia and the uncanny valley is a fascinating one. Sophia's human-like characteristics cause her to teeter on the edge of the uncanny valley, triggering an unsettling feeling due to subtle imperfections that make her appear almost human, but not quite genuine. This fascinating connection between the uncanny valley and humanoid robots like Sophia continues to provoke thought and discussion about the future of AI, robotics, and our interaction with them. Please hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment. We appreciate your opinion. Until we meet again, stay curious.